Want to know how to easily create and collect damage assessment in the field in 3 easy steps? Then stay tuned to find out. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another tutorial. This time a bonus tutorial. Today we'll be creating a damage assessment form using the feature templates available in ArcGIS Online. This feature allows you to easily account for damages to residential and commercial structures following a disaster. You will also be collecting a damage assessment feature. So let's go. So in our first step, we will go to our ArcGIS Online subscription account at arcgis.com and we'll log in with our username and password. I'll add a link in the description box for more details about ArcGIS Online. We then go to the Content tab and select Create by the top left, Feature Layer, and then From Template. So you see a list of available templates that you have access to in ArcGIS Online, and we will find and create the Damage Assessment feature layer. Once you click Create, all you need to do is give it a name and select Done, and you have completed your first step. Now that your feature is created, we will go to step 2, which is to create our web map. The item details for the newly created feature pops up once created. So we select the drop-down list by opening Map Viewer and select Add to New Map with full editing control. So now your layer is added to a new map and all you need to do is save this map. You can share it as well if you have many persons who will be collecting damage assessment in the field, but be mindful that these individuals will need their own ArcGIS Online accounts and they would also need to be in a group. I have a previous tutorial that shows setting up a web map and creating groups. I'll add it as a suggestion at the top of the screen. So now that you've created your map, you are ready to collect data, and this is step 3. Here I'll be using Collector for ArcGIS to do my data collection. The app is available for Android, iOS, and Windows devices and can be found in your respective app stores. It's free once you have your ArcGIS Online subscription. So here I'm clicking on the plus sign once I've opened the map to add a new feature. And I want to add a feature with major damage. So from the templates you can see all the attributes that are available as part of the damage assessment data collection form. And you even have fields that gives you a list of options to select from. So I'll fill these out as best as I can, and once done I just click on the check mark and that's it. I just collected my major damage feature. One thing to add is that collecting data this way requires internet connection, so you need to have either cellular data or Wi-Fi. However, there is a method to collect your data without using Wi-Fi or cellular data, and I will link it at the top of the screen as well as at the end of this tutorial. You may need to skip over the first few minutes to get to that part. Now that you've collected your damage assessment, stay tuned to this time next week to find out how to take this data off your device and get it into a report. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as share this tutorial with your friends or colleagues, or anyone you feel would be interested in this particular topic. Also, please leave a comment below to let me know how I'm doing, or if there's anything else that you'd like to see. So, thanks again.